Hello beautiful friends, welcome to Cassia Naturals. If you're new on my channel, you're so welcome. So like on this channel I do share DIY, how you can make your own products using home remedies and actually cosmetic ingredients. Yes, and we also share healthy lifestyles and cross like lifestyle. Yes, so you are not lost, you're on the right channel. And if this is your first time on my channel, you can click on that subscribe button and subscribe now. And I'm glad to let you know that actually we have done 98 videos, so I'm remaining with only 2 to reach 100, and I'm aiming for 100 subscribers. So at the moment we only have 46 subscribers. I really appreciate you guys for your support and your love, and my viewers, I thank you so much for your support and your love. I know that you've been watching my videos and this is not your first time. Make sure that you click on the subscribe button. So now in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make, a moisturizing facial layer using aloe vera. Yes, so like a friend has gifted me the aloe vera plant, but unfortunately he didn't cut it well. So like I'll show you how it looks like. So word of inspiration is coming from 2 Peter chapter 2 verse 9. You are a chosen generation, a royal priesthood, a holy nation, God's own special people, that you may proclaim the praises of him who called you out of darkness into his marvelous light. So as you can see, like this is the aloe which I was talking about. Like instead of cutting the roots, you have cut it like so. So, but of course the roots, I planted them under the stem. There was a stem, and I'm hoping that they'll grow. Like, of course I have different kinds of aloe, but this one is different. This is a different space. Yes, so now we are going to use a spoon, a knife, a spatula, and a bowl, and a sieve to help us cook the gel. Yes, so make sure that you watch this video until to the end. So the use of aloe in skincare is no surprise. It's a well-known plant that has been a effective skincare ingredient for since time immemorial. So the plant offers great benefits for skin and hair, and its properties have been recognized for thousands of years in traditional medicine. Its use has been recorded as early as 2200 BC and is associated with important historical characters such as Cleopatra and Alexander the Great. So actually, like, I know much about Alexander the Great because he's in Prophets, so we can get into Prophets just a little bit. So like Alexander the Great was actually a very courageous and victorious nation from, it was under the rule of Alexander the Great. So it was courageous and victorious nation from the West, which was ruled by a king who at that time was a mere youth. So although the Medes were very wealthy at this time and could afford many soldiers and many weapons, though they were many in number, they are overmastered by a few thousand Greeks under the leadership of Alexander the Great. So this actually took place in 331 BC. Yes, so you can actually find this in the Bible prophecy, like in Daniel. All those things are explained there. Yes. So as in cosmetic industry, aloe vera is widely used in many streams such as skincare and cosmetics products. So the plant is very skin friendly and has low risk of causing allergies, sensitivity, or skin reactions, and also versatile. It is common in after sun products and in facial hair and body. So aloe vera has great moisturizing properties, that is because it is rich in polysaccharides, which give it a gel-like appearance. So the polysaccharides are highly hygroscopic, like they're water loving and bind to moisture. It also has acids protection of the epidermis and the skin to restore its self. Some studies point to possible analgesic and anti-inflammatory activities of the gel properties that would particularly be beneficial to skin wounds and promotion of gel radiation damage repair. So aloe vera gel also comprises of vitamins, amino acids, minerals, and enzymes which provide its skin soothing effect. So like the properties of aloe, it's very hydrating. Yes, it's very, very hydrating. It's easy to find. Yes, it's effective. Yes. And so like you do not need to use aloe. Like ideally, I use aloe gel occasionally on a need basis to soothe irritated skin or as an after skin cosmetic. And in these like situations, it performs its best topical by smoothing the skin and adding a hydrating moisturizing layer to the skin. Yes, so like you can get aloe from beauty supply shops. Yes, or you can make your own at home. Yes, and that's how it looks like. Or you can be good to your neighbors, to your friends. Like they'll be able to give you some aloe. So that's how it looks like. Yes. So now make sure that you hydrate your skin, your body. You know, health doesn't come by chance, but by choice. So drink that water. Hydrate. If you want beautiful flawless skin, hydrate. Yes, and if you want beautiful hair, make sure that you drink your water. So now at this point, like it's in the morning, and I'm going to use our micellar water. I did a video on how you can make your micellar water. I'll link it in the description box below. You can check it out. Yes. So like I usually use micellar water in the morning. Yes. When we don't need to use a strong cleanser, so it's very hydrating. Yes, and it's been working well for my skin. As you can see, like our skin is glowing, it's naturally glowing. Yes. So you can also check out other videos which I have done. Yes. Like they will really be helpful if you're trying to achieve flawless skin without any toxic ingredients. Yes. So as you can see, like not much dirty there, just sweat from the night sleep. So now at this point, I'm just using a cotton pad to apply my aloe vera moisturizing soothing layer or hydrating. Look, just one application. Can you see the change? Can you see how our skin is glowing? Yeah, so like I really love aloe vera juice or aloe vera gel. So if you are a lover of aloe vera gel or juice, comment in the section below. So that is how much is left